welcome back. Today I'm sharing with you 10 simple ways to make money right now, alternatively to selling feet pics. These are much better ways to make extra cash on the side. Have you ever been in a pinch and you're like, darn, I really need some supplemental income right about now? Or maybe you already have a full-time job and you're just looking for a backup job in case your current job ever fails or lays you off, to have another job as a safety net. Well, I'm so glad to bring this video to you guys today. I know these tips are going to change your life. We'll be raking out the dollars in no time. These are tried, true, and tested ways to make simple cash right now. Number one, first way to make easy cash is to go through your belongings. It's time to do some spring cleaning, purge through your stuff, your clothes, your purses, your electronics, your gadgets. There are places like Plato's Closet where you can bring your clothes and sell them right away to get cash right away. I have also used that in the past and I absolutely love that service. Or you can sell your clothes online at Poshmark. I've also used that website to sell handbags for some easy cash. Only took about 3 days to get my cash, so that was amazing. Or you can try sites like Kijiji when you're selling things. Obviously, just make sure you don't meet at your house. You meet in a public area, possibly having someone else with you when you sell your items just for safety purposes. But number one, those are some fast ways to get cash ASAP. Number two, going door to door. You can print out little flyers, say what kind of skill you have. So if you want to cut someone's grass, you can say, we'll cut grass for $10. You can hand those out to everybody on your street and then some in the next block over and the next block over. You can also shovel and rake leaves for your neighbors. Or if you want to dog sit, getting creative like that can also help you get fast cash right away. Also, when it comes to pet sitting, there are websites like rover.com where you just sign up. There are people out there that love their pets like I do. People will pay to have you come to their house to let their dog out for a pee, or to do dog sitting for longer periods of time, or to walk their dog, watch their cat, feed their fish, whatever. So you can definitely sign up on rover.com. It is a one-day process and you can instantly get bookings right away. My third suggestion on how to get quick cash is if you have an available parking spot, say you don't have a vehicle, but you live in an apartment and it came with a parking spot, well, you can actually rent those out, especially in really busy city areas. People are dying for a parking spot close to their work because I used to pay $300 to park downtown. $300 a month. That was crazy. I definitely caught myself looking on Kijiji, seeing if anybody was willing to rent out their parking spot, just so I didn't have to pay such an astronomical number for parking every single month. So you can rent out your parking spaces. Not just if you live downtown. Say you live next to a busy football stadium, baseball stadium, hockey arena, whatever. Sometimes on game day, parking can cost like $50. So if you have a house or an apartment nearby, you can post that as well with a big sign on your yard saying $20 to park here. That's another extra way to make cash. Number four, doesn't matter where you live, there is a newspaper delivery route and they are always hiring.
And this is a job when you don't even need any prior education or work experience. You can be making $5,000 cash and upwards in a month. And because you are a subcontractor, they don't even deduct taxes from you. So every single dollar you make goes into your own pocket. Even Warren Buffett himself started as a newspaper carrier back in his day, delivering papers for only 10 cents back then. And look how far he's come now.
This is the easiest way to make cash. You don't need a resume, you don't need education. Go to your local newspaper and you can make hundreds of dollars a month. The great thing about delivering papers is it is a cash job. So every penny you make goes in your pocket. This is a great job for supplemental income. It is so easy. You can literally apply for the job, get hired the next day, and be delivering newspapers. Some places even pay $1 per newspaper. I know that's a little bit on the higher end, but on the lower end, it's about 40 cents a paper. So every time you bring up that paper and deliver it on somebody's doorstep, it's like ka-ching, 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 and you get paid bi-weekly. So why not deliver newspapers and make a ton of money? My next suggestion is tutoring. If you are really proficient in a certain language, you can find ads like that on Kijiji or Indeed, saying needing a tutor for French, English, Spanish, whatever. You can market yourself and your skills and your level of proficiency in each language, and you can can tutor privately and set your own prices. You can start doing that today. People do pay for trash removal services, so you can offer your larger vehicle and set your own price on taking their trash away for them. Number 8, I have personally done this in the past. This was mystery shopping. I got to go to restaurants and stores and just observe it as a customer, take notes on the food, the service, the cleanliness of the washrooms, and you do get paid for that, and they do pay for your meal as well, which is really cool. Definitely check out mystery shopping. That is another way to make cash. Number 9 is just simply getting another part-time job. I mean, some people are so desperate you could start the next day.
Side hustles like working for Uber Eats or Skip the Dishes will make you about $20 an hour plus tips. The great news, you don't need a vehicle. You can use your own bike, set your own hours, and work as much as you like.
And lastly, number 10 is cleaning houses. This is super easy. You can market your services on sites like Kijiji, or you can go door to door in your neighborhood, again with little business cards if you like, and introduce yourself, ask if they're looking for cleaning services. A lot of people don't have time to clean their houses, so people are willing to pay big bucks to have somebody clean their house for them. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. I hope you really enjoyed these tips and tricks, and you're now motivated to go out and make that supplemental income. It's always good to have as a backup in case you get laid off, fired, you have an unexpected bill that comes up out of nowhere. So having supplemental income on the side is always a good idea. You never know. Definitely comment below if you have any tips and tricks on how to earn money fast. Thank you guys so much for watching. Can't wait to see you on the next one. Bye for now.